before retiring to consider their verdict. A final decision may not be known for weeks. Chris Reason, 7 News.
ING is the latest big lender to pass on the RBA's interest rate reduction, but others, including HSBC, remain silent 24 hours on. After the Treasurer attacked Westpac and ANZ for skimping on the cut, the RBA boss has now weighed in, suggesting their customers change banks.
Talk about feedback. In a speech just hours after 2 of the Big Four vetoed his full rate cut, the RBA boss had thoughts.
If your bank has not passed this through, then I encourage you to go and look for a better deal somewhere else.
Westpac dropped its rate bombshell at 6:01 last night in a bid to dodge the day's top story. But it, with a 20-point cut, and ANZ with 18, will pocket millions by shortchanging customers on the full 25. In fact, all big banks will make money by making us wait, delaying the cuts for up to 3 weeks.
When official interest rates go up, the banks pass them on so quickly, but when they go down, they drag their feet.
Meanwhile, more lenders moved today, some naughty, some nice. Macquarie passing on the full 25 points to customers, St George only 20. The big tip, get moving. On $400,000, refinancing from a typical rate to one of the hot new deals will save almost $300 a month.
You're probably missing out on what is the greatest time ever to pretty much refinance your mortgage.
And after announcing one rate cut, Australia's monetary captain is on the lookout for another, which would leave them
Around 1% by the end of this year.
But he's also looking out for retirees and savers. They're on the flip side of lower rates, with some term deposits nearing 0% interest.
And we understand why they would be disappointed.
Gemma Acton, 7 News.
Police are hunting for an armed thief after a four-wheel drive advertised for sale